Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make cream caramel pudding. It needs few ingredients and you will love the taste. Let's start. First I am going to caramelize the sugar. Today I am taking half cup of sugar, which is 65 grams. Now I am melting the sugar in medium flames. After sugar melted and color changed, then add half cup of hot water gradually. Half cup is 65 milliliters. Now keep stirring the sugar for about 8 to 10 minutes. Don't stop in between. To measure the readiness, pour it using the spoon and it will pour like consistence thread. Now I am taking it out from the stove and immediately transfer into the pudding pan. Now spread the caramelized sugar evenly in the pan. Next I am taking 395 grams of condensed milk and add to a bowl. Then add fresh milk to the same container, so you don't need to measure the milk again. Now add the fresh milk into the condensed milk and mix them well. Next I am taking 4 medium-sized eggs and whisk them for a couple of minutes. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Then strain the eggs to the milk mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and pinch of salt. Mix everything together for about 15 to 20 seconds, don't overmix the mixture. Now slowly transfer the milk mixture into the pudding pan. Then cover the pan using aluminum foil and seal the edges. Now I am going to steam the mixture. You may have to steam this for 30 to 40 minutes, and time will depend on the steamer you are using. If you still watching the video, and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Check with a bamboo stick. If your pudding is ready, bamboo stick will come out clean, without anything stuck around. Now let it cool down and cover it again and then transfer to the fridge. You may have to keep this in the fridge for a couple of hours. After couple of hours, pudding is ready to transfer to the serving dish. See how nice this pudding looks. It's very easy. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.